Hi and welcome to this how-to about CentOS installation, and today we take a look on graphical installation. You can install several different variants of CentOS with help of the graphical installer. For example, terminal server, desktop, graphical server, and a couple of more variants. Stay tuned for bonus facts in the end of the clip. Minimum system performance is recommended to be 2 GB of RAM, 2 GHz CPU or higher, 20 GB hard drive, 64-bit system on Intel hardware. Connect mouse and keyboard, insert the boot media, and restart your computer. In this step, you choose if you want to use a graphical installer, troubleshooting, or with help of advanced option, a non-graphical installer. To install graphical, use one of the two top choice. Here you choose which language you want for the installation, and this will also be the language for the system. If you are satisfied, click on Continue. This is the most tricky part of the installation. We start by choosing the keyboard if you need to change it. But I live in another country, so I need to add a Swedish keyboard in my case. That are the right keyboard for me. And I can remove the American keyboard. Yes, correct. Now, when you have the right keyboard, it's more easy to get the correct setting. Network is a good starting place now. So we can download updates, and you maybe want to have another name for your system. Now, when we have network access, we can activate network time. Choose the time zone you want. Network time on. Done. Installation source, no meaning to change. Language have we already fixed. What type of installation you maybe want to change? It's here you choose if you have a terminal server, graphical server, or workstation, or some of the other. You can also install additional software. This too I leave blank, but you need to tell the installation where you want to install. I only have one hard drive, so this is very simple. Here under Customize, you can have your own partition settings and so on, but I will go for automatic. And now wait little. Now the installation have all the necessary information, so we can start the installation. Now choose a good password for your root account. Done. You can also create one user under the installation. This will be used of email program, for example. I'm satisfied with the username. Here you can make this user to administrator. That means that this user can escalate this account to root without knowing the root password. This is what happens if you give a very poor password. You can go ahead now, but the system will warn you and you need to confirm it twice. But that can be useful if you're installing a demonstration system, for example. Now wait for the installation to be finished. The installation is now finished, so restart your computer and let the CD-ROM stay in the CD-ROM drive under reboot. To reboot the system, you need the CD-ROM, but many times the CD-ROM are not pushed out, so you need to remove the CD-ROM when the installation starts again. So now remove the CD-ROM and force it to be removed if necessary. And now restart the computer again. And wait for boot up. The system is now up and running. That means that the installation is completely finished. And now to the bonus information. This is the recommendation of system requirement. But as we can see, if you choose to install a non-graphical system instead, you use less system resources. If you install a graphical system, you need to accept the license for the software. Read through and accept. Done. And finish configuration. If this clip have been helpful for you, why don't share it with your friends? That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Simutrans is an open source transport simulator game. You can transporting cargo, passenger and mail on land, sea and in the air. Thank you for your time.